I'm the facilities manager for RPM Pizza, which is the largest franchise of Domino's. RPM Pizza just celebrated their 40th year in business. Some of these stores are 40 years old or close to 40 years old. But we decided as a company to revision the space in the production area. It was 30 stores that had to be done within 6 months. And from my previous work with Matterport, I knew that once I had the scan, I would have a floor plan of the building. We wanted to keep the budget low, so using the measurement tool, I was able to make sure that existing fixtures and equipment would fit in the space. For example, if I bought a 3-comp sink 20 years ago, it's not the same dimensions as a 3-comp sink currently. It's different dimensions or different brands. So being able to measure the fixtures and the equipment currently in the store ensured that we didn't have a mistake or balloon our budget. So I would say that using Matterport helped move our projects quicker. I would say it's about 30% faster